In an era where global warming is one of the world's greatest challenges, humanity releases over 51 billion tons of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, a significant portion of which comes from buildings. Despite the urgent need for improvement, more than 98% of buildings lack effective energy management guidelines and modern technology. At AltoTech Global, our solutions use AI-driven IoT data to optimize energy usage.
We are smart building experts. We develop intelligent AI applications to optimize energy and drive efficiency in your business. Discover the products that power a smarter future.
Chiller plant optimization. Cut costs and boost productivity. Our chiller plant optimization analyzes every component, ensuring your system runs at peak performance with minimal energy waste. Airside energy savings. Lowers electricity costs, reduces carbon emissions, and promotes sustainable practices. Autopilot VRV. Experience the next level of efficiency with Autopilot VRV. Our system autonomously optimizes your climate control, ensuring maximum comfort and energy savings. Alto Ace, your AI chief engineer. Alto Ace, the AI chief engineer, empowers you with a single intelligent platform, providing deep insights and actionable data to make smarter, faster decisions. IAQ monitoring. Ensure the well-being of everyone inside. Our IAQ monitoring system provides real-time insights into your indoor air quality, creating a healthier environment. Carbon neutral event platform. Host unforgettable events without the carbon footprint. Our platform helps you track, manage, and offset your emissions, proving your commitment to sustainability. Sustainability Visitor Dashboard. Bring your commitment to life with the Sustainability Visitor Dashboard. Educate and inspire guests by displaying real-time environmental data, including carbon reduction and energy savings. Digital twin. Visualize your entire property in a living, breathing digital twin. Monitor every aspect, from the largest systems to the smallest details, and make data-driven decisions from anywhere. Multi-property. Scale your efficiency with our multi-property app. Gain centralized control and effortlessly manage all your locations from a single unified dashboard. At AltoTech, we are committed to creating a positive environmental impact while helping businesses grow sustainably. With advanced technology and global partnerships, we are ready to build an equitable and sustainable future for everyone. Join us in revolutionizing energy management in buildings and moving towards a more sustainable world with AltoTech Global.
Visit our website to learn more.